Hi, I'm Trie, and along with KK and Bunkie, we're the Vineyard Chicks, and this is our homestead. Our parents moved to Michigan after planting a couple thousand grapevines on this property. They hand-planted 2,000 vines and loved the country so much they decided they wanted to be here full-time and bought an abandoned nursery. They bought some goats to clear land and some ducks to clear bugs. And that's where we come in. We started out by collecting the duck eggs and selling them. With that money, we bought our first chickens. Then we made them chicken tractors and changed the makeup of all our goats so that they're all ADGA registered. So basically, my sisters and I run our own little homestead in the middle of our parents' wine vinegar business. And yeah, us girls are serious homesteaders most of the time. We created a YouTube channel so that we can share our journeys with you about our animals and our farm life. Our playlists are 100 videos strong and include our building tutorials, gardening, Dexter cattle, Oreo barn cat and our ducks, Fluffy duck and the hens, one-eared Pika and our other goats, our how-to videos, our family recipe videos,
Looking good!
music videos, Rebel Heart belongs to you, homesteading with meat pigs, and more farm fun. And as amazing as that all sounds, it's all just part of our homeschool day. And we're just hitting our stride. We put content up every Wednesday and Saturday. And if you subscribe, you'll be part of our expansion, including our first turkeys and emus. And of course, all the adventures of Pika the one-eared wonder goat, Fluffy the chicken duck, Oreo barn cat, Mari the LGD, and Miri the Cheshire goat in our mudroom. And these guys are just plain fun. So go ahead and click subscribe and join us on our homesteading journey. Maybe you'll learn something. One thing's for certain, we'll definitely
It's gone.
have some fun.